Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable dark mode or how to turn on dark mode in MS World. So very easy to add this dark mode or enable. So firstly you need to click on here file tab, and now here you see this last second account option, so just click on it. And here you see this office background and office theme. So you change the office background, so this is changing this design. Need to change theme, so click on here office theme and click on gray, dark gray. So you see this will be very easily you can enable this dark theme in MS World. So thanks for watching.